How to turn on or turn off calendar, time to leave, alert on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on settings. And from the main settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on apps. Next, tap on calendar. And in here, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on default alert times. And then tap on time to leave. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now to use time to leave, you need to make sure you enable precise location. If you turn off precise location, then time to leave will be disabled. Now if you do not have precise location turned on, you can do so from the main settings page, and then you go down and tap on privacy and security. Then you select location services, and in here tap on calendar and make sure you turn on precise location. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.